must be wiser than the king. The end is near.
I told you before, I'm not interested in this nonsense.
And I've wasted my time.
You can show yourself now, Jaina. He's gone.
I'm sorry for eavesdropping, Master, but
It's your inquisitive nature that I've come to rely on, child. That crazed fool's convinced that the world is about to end.
I've heard the rumors of the plague spreading throughout the Northlands. Do you truly believe that the plague is magical in nature?
It's a strong possibility. That's why I need you to travel there and investigate the matter. I've arranged for a special envoy to assist you.
Yes, Master. I'll do my best.
I know you will, child. Farewell.
Prince Arthas, we've been waiting here for hours. Are you sure this friend of yours is coming?
I'm sure. Jaina usually runs a little late.
We must help her!
Stay your blade, Captain. She can take care of herself. Gentlemen, meet Miss Jaina Proudmoore, Special Agent to the Kirin Tor, and one of the most talented sorceresses in the land. Looks like you haven't lost your touch. It's good to see you again, Jaina.
You too, Arthas. It's been a while since a prince escorted me anywhere.
Yes, it has. Well, I guess we should get underway.
Our sources believe the plague originated in the region north of here. We should check out the villages along the King's Road.
Is there danger? A sound plan.
I am honored.
Prince Arthas, there's something amiss at the bridge ahead.
For honor, of course. Certainly.
Look,
Certainly.
it's Prince Arthas.
A sound plan. Of course.
Milord, someone has destroyed the bridge from the far side of the river. There is another way to cross, but it is not as safe as it used to be.
For honor. Certainly. Of course. For honor. A sound plan.
Slaughter them all! Bandits, run!
A sound plan.
Sack the town! Save us!
I'm here to help. The light is my strength. You are past redemption. A sound plan. For honor. Of course. Certainly. For honor. Of course. Certainly.
Oh, thanks so much. I have a reward for you.
For the light.
I'll do my best.
On my way!
A sound plan. For honor. Of course. A sound plan.
Milord, there is an ancient fountain shrine nearby. Legends say that its holy waters can restore health and heal grievous wounds.
That could prove to be useful indeed. Certainly. Of course. Foul knave. For honor. A sound plan. Certainly.
Betrayer of the light.
course. Certainly.
Betrayer of the light.
Justice shall be done. A sound plan. For honor. Of course.
Foul knave. Feel my wrath.
For honor. A sound plan. Certainly. A sound plan. Of course. For honor. Certainly. Of course. Certainly. For honor. A sound plan.
Lock your shields and defend yourselves. Their arrows won't get through. Skeletons, slay them all immediately.
Stand. Sound plan. Certainly. Of course. What were those creatures, Sergeant?
Undead, my lord. This whole village has gone mad. We did our best to defend the villagers, but
We'll get to the bottom of this. Certainly. A sound plan. Of course. For honor. The light is my strength. Of course. A sound plan.
what do you need? Aye, my lord.
Is there danger? Certainly. For honor. Of course. Certainly. A sound plan. A sound plan.
You are past redemption.
Of course. Certainly. For honor. A sound plan. Of course. Certainly. For honor. For honor. Certainly. A sound plan. This must be the shrine that the old man spoke of. Any man who drinks from these light-blessed waters will be healed. Certainly. Of course. A sound plan. Certainly. A sound plan. For honor. Of course. Of course. Certainly. For honor. A sound plan. For honor. Certainly. Of course. A sound plan. Certainly. For honor. A sound plan.
It's as if the land around that granary is dying.
Could the grain itself be plagued?
Let's hope not. Those crates bear the regional seal of Anderhall, the distribution center for the northern boroughs. If this grain can spread the plague, there's no telling how many villages might be affected. You asked for it.
Of course. Certainly. A sound plan. Of course. The light is my strength. For honor. For my father, the king. Justice has come. For honor. Justice shall be done. Of course. Certainly. A sound plan. For honor. Certainly.
Greetings. We are priests from Quel'Thalas. We've come to help heal the land of this strange curse.
As always, the generosity of the elves is greatly appreciated.
You should know that there is a granary warehouse at the far end of this village. This evil blight may be evident there as well.
Sound plan. Of course. Of course. A sound plan.
Shoot!
What the hell are you men shooting at?
We're blasting those damn skeletons, Sam. This whole flaming village is crawling with them.
Well, I could use your help. We've got a warehouse to destroy at the end of town.
Let's get to fighting.
For honor. For honor. I'm here to help. I'm here to help. Justice shall be done. Of course. Certainly. A sound plan. Of course. A sound plan.
That's curious. I'll take care of it.
The light is my strength. Certainly. For honor. Certainly. Of course. A sound plan. For honor. Certainly. A sound plan. For honor. Of course. A sound plan.
We've been discovered, my brothers. Flee and continue with the operation. I'm sorry I can't stay and chat, but duty calls.
That creature looks like it was sewn together from different corpses.
Let's study it after we kill it, okay?
I hate resorting to violence.
Destroy that warehouse.
Now.
Of course. For honor. I stand for the light. You are past death. Foul knave. Of course. What was that? And who is that wizard dressed in black?
I believe that the robed man was a necromancer. Obviously, he and his lackeys are behind this plague.
Well, it's a good bet we'll find him and the answers we're looking for in Anderhall.